Welcome to the Online Learning Orientation for West Kentucky Community and Technical College. Though this orientation is not required, it is recommended to you if you are new to online learning and are a little apprehensive about taking the plunge into online classes. It allows you to test out Blackboard without any impact to your grades. We understand that many students cannot make it to the campus to take college classes, but they still want to take college classes to further their careers. That's where online learning comes in at West Kentucky Community and Technical College. We are committed to offering you the same quality courses and services as our students that come to campus. To begin, watch the below Getting Started with Blackboard video. Then take a peek at the sections on the left side. When you are ready to begin, click on Course Content, where I will walk you step by step through submitting assignments, quizzes, tests, and discussion boards. My contact information is listed on the left side under Instructor Information. Please feel free to contact me with any questions or problems that you have with Blackboard. Welcome! We are excited to start this new adventure with you.